These are the elevators at the Sheraton Hotel, right next to Westfield Sheraton Mall in Wesleyland. Ooh! Awesome! We've got some Schindler elevators, and they were modernized by ThyssenKrupp. And they both came at the same time. Let's get in the elevator that's going down. Rainbow cabs. Color-coded fixtures, too. Here are parking level 1. Blue is for parking, red's for lobby, green's for bridge, and purple is for hotel guest floors. We were skipping floors 2 and 3 because those are the ballroom levels. There's different elevators that serve those levels here. Here are at 11. Let's go down to lobby. And that's it.